create your own material, you're going to want to put in the material name, so like tile and then texture seamless, carpet texture seamless. Find something that you like on Google, click on it, view image, right click, save image as, go to your desktop and save it in the correct folder, then go to Revit, and to create a new material you're going to go to Manage tab, Materials, then you will go down to create a new material, and it's best if you rename it, so go to Identity tab, in all caps, rename it, hardwood. Graphics, if it's something you're going to see in a rendering, always use render appearance. Then go to Appearance tab, and it's best if you actually grab a tile. So you go to replace this asset, go to Appearance Library, go to Flooring, go to Tile, and I just grab this diamond red tile and I load that in. And then that way I can then change my image by clicking on the link below the image. So click on that link. If you go up here and change it to thumbnails, this is all the materials that Revit has. So if you maybe want to use one of these, I would check this out first. And if you don't like any of them, then go and find your material that you found. So I'm going to go to my desktop and grab my hardwood. So I've now loaded that image in. And now I might need to edit the size of that image. So once I click on the image, you want to link texture transforms, and then this is where you might need to change your sample size. So it's saying from here to here, that's 1 foot and 1 foot and a half of an inch. So if you look at it, usually wood, this is about 3 inches each plank, so 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and double that, so it's about 30 inches. So that's really what that measurement should be. So you're going to have to guess and check and come back and change this. So I'm going to do 30 inches by 30 inches and hit done, and then that creates that material for me, and then I can paint that on my floor or change the structure of my floor to that material.